You felt an intense presence, but you couldn't do anything about it. No matter what you do, it didn't want to change. I'm so happy you are here. Welcome you at the right meeting. Because what we're going to deal with today is covenant. There must be a covenant in place that gives them the access to override the fact that you've prayed before you go to bed. He has got legal access to come in and to claim a hold on you to torment and afflict you. That's the only thing that demons wants to do. They're here to torment and to afflict us and to make our life hell. A covenant that gives the enemy the legal right of something that happened in a previous generation. You see, the enemy is sneaky. He doesn't look only at your life. He scans you and your father and your grandfather and your great-grandfather to see what is it that he can find that he can use against you to torment you, to stop you, to block you, and to give up on your harvest.